In this video I will show you how to download and install IDM latest version on your computer. For this, open any web browser and then in address bar type download IDM and press enter. Then click on link pointing to official internet download manager. Then click on try IDM button as shown here. This will download IDM exe file as shown here. Just go to the location where you have this exe file. Double-click on it to begin installation. If you get confirmation, then click on OK or Yes button. After that, click on Next button. Next, click on I accept the terms checkbox and click on Next. This steps will create an icon for IDM on desktop. Just click on Next. Now it will copy necessary things related to IDM on your computer. Click on Finish button. To check if IDM is successfully installed and downloading from IDM is possible, visit any website and try to download a document, as shown here. I can see IDM in pop-up. Click on it to begin download from IDM. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.